Hello friends, welcome to my channel Option 360. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. So in this video we will discuss about a simple straddle adjustment on budget day. This is a very simple kind of adjustment setup basically we used. On budget day you all know how market went up and closed with almost 650 points gain in Nifty index. Okay, market shoot up on that day. So we decided to check whether this adjustment worked on that day or not. Okay. To check this, we have to move to simulator, Opstra simulator. Okay, so let's move to simulator. Before going to simulator, I want to let you know that if you want to stay connected with us, then you can join our our Telegram channel named Options 360. Okay, you will get all information about our all trades and all adjustments in this group on in this channel only, and you can follow us on Twitter also. Okay, my handle name is @Kapil Dhama. Okay, and one more information I want to share with you, that if you want to join our upcoming webinar on advanced adjustments, then you can fill Google form provided in description box. In this course we will provide different kind of setup in all strategies with different kind of adjustments, okay, for all kind of market scenarios. Okay, so now let's move to simulator and we will check whether our adjustment worked on that day or not. So guys, we are here on Opstra simulator 1st February. See, because our budget day was 1st February, first we have to look our conditions to initiate a straddle. So what are our conditions? Condition number 1, RSI should be between 40 and 60. Condition number 2, ADX should be below 25. Condition number 3, all these three lines should be merged. Okay, so we saw around 950. See, around 950, ADX is below 25, ADX is outside from these two lines, all three lines merged, RSI between 40-60, and Nifty was trading between day high and day low. So all conditions met around 950. So around 950 we have to initiate straddle of 13,700. Okay, let's move to simulator. 950, 40, and this 50. Get option chain 13,700. So this was the at the money straddle at that time. See the price 205,210. So we initiate this straddle. Okay, so first we have to check, if we didn't do any adjustment on that day, what will happen around 3 p.m. or 3:15 with this straddle. Okay, so we initiated this straddle on that day, but around 3:15, see, we were in loss of 15,000 rupees. 15,000 means almost 200 point loss. We were in almost 200 point loss because market ran on that day like a hell. Okay, 650 point gain on Nifty on that day. So let's move to adjustment part. So now we will do adjustment in this straddle according to market conditions. And in this adjustment, this is a very basic type of adjustment, and in this adjustment we always shifting our strikes, and we always shifting our position from straddle to strangle and strangle to straddle. And one condition, we will always square off our ITM, okay, our loss making side. We will never book our profit making side. Okay, so let's move to adjustment. So around 950 we initiated a straddle. Okay, so first, what should our criteria for any kind of adjustment? If premium is above 350, then we will adjust at every 100 point movement. Okay, so premium were 205, 210, around 415. So basically this premium is above 350. So we will make any adjustment only if Nifty moves minimum 100 points. Okay, so let's go. So Nifty didn't moving 1030. Okay, didn't touch 800. Okay, but what happened here? Around 11:15 Nifty was trading around 800. Okay, around 11:20. So what we will do? Around 11:20, move to 11:20. So Nifty reached around 15,800 and our straddle was at the strike of 15,700. So what we have to do? We have to make first adjustment. Okay, so we will book our ITM loss making side around 264. We booked C around 264. Okay, so we have 13,700 PE and market was trading around 15,000, so 13,800. Then what we have to do? We have to convert it into a triangle. So if we want to convert it into a triangle, then we have to sell a CE of 13,900 around 1120. Okay, around 1120, 13,900. We sold 13,900 C. Now set again. Now we will again wait for any 100-point movement. We will adjust if Nifty move to 13,900 or if Nifty moves to again 13,700. Between these 2 points we will not make any kind of adjustment. Okay. So again we are here, but suddenly around 11:45 Nifty touched 13,900. It means Nifty again moved 100 points from 13,800. What we will do? We will make our second adjustment. Okay, in the second adjustment we will book this P, because what I told you, we have to shift from straddle to strangle and again strangle to straddle. Now we will create straddle. We booked this P 13,700 at 148 rupees and opened 13,009. Sorry, around 11:45. So price was 127. And what we will do? We will open 13,900 PE. So now we are in position of straddle of 13,900. Okay, our new position is this. Now, but we had a bad luck. How this is a bad luck? Because just after our adjustment, market again went down. This is called bad luck, and again touched 13,800. This is called pure bad luck. But still, we will check. So now what we have to do? Again we have to convert our straddle into triangle. So around 12:15. Sometimes we had a bad luck. So again we will book ITM option, loss making option. So around 12:15, 13,900 P was trading around 227. 227. Booked loss, still we were in profit, we were not in loss. Okay, so what we will do, again we will convert it into a triangle. We will open 13,700 P again. Because just after our adjustment market fell down. Sometime we have to face this kind of situation also. Okay, so always be ready. So now again we had a bad luck, we just make an adjustment and again market moved up. Okay, around 1250 market crossed 13,900 mark. So we have to make adjustment again. So we will make adjustment around 1245, because in this candle, because Opstra only allowed 5-minute span. So if we go for this span of 5 minutes, then market almost reached around 14,000. So we will make adjustment around 1245. There are some kind of limitations with Opstra. 1245. So again around 1245 we were in profit. Still we are not in loss. So what we will do? We will again book our P and again convert our position into a straddle. Budget day was a very hectic day for adjustments. Okay, so be patient and let's see what happened at the day end. 13,700 was trading around 137. Closed. What we will do? Again open 13,900 P, because we have to convert our straddle, we have to convert our triangle into straddle again. So around 1245 we converted this triangle into straddle. But what happened? Suddenly next candle market almost touched 14,000 mark. So again we have to make another adjustment. 1245, sorry, 1250. So still we were in profit because IV crash. This profit is solely due to IV crash on that day after budget speech. Okay, so we were in profit and market moved almost 300 points up from our 13,700 strike, but still we are in profit due to the adjustment. So again we make some adjustment, and what we will do, because market is trading around 14,000, then we will, what I will do, we will put C position here and again convert our straddle into triangle. So 13,900 was trading around 183. And if market is trading around 14,000 and you have 13,900 P, then to make it into a triangle you have to sell 14,100 C. So we sold 14,100 C. Okay. So again market moved up. In very next candle market again touched 14,100. Still we were in profit. Okay, still we were in profit. But again what we have to do? Again we have to convert our triangle into straddle. Now this time we will book 13,900. We will book 13,900 in 102. And again we will convert our triangle into straddle of 14,100, because market was trading around 14,100. So we already have C position in at 14,100. we just have to sell one PE of 14,100. But again, you had another bad luck. Just after your adjustment, again market fell 100 points. You again have to make a adjustment. This happened sometimes, okay? Around in this candle, 1310. Again we have to convert our straddle into strangle, but still we were in profit. So again we have to square off our PE position. Sorry, we have to square off our PE position and we have to initiate a strangle now. So around this time, this PE was trading around 185. This is all about due to IV crash. Around this candle, okay? This is all about due to IV crash. Now again we have to convert it into a strangle, and to convert it into a strangle, because we already have 14,100 seen, then we have to open 13,900 P, because at around that time market was trading around 14,000. So we make a perfect strangle. But again, third time you had a bad luck. Just you made an adjustment and market again went up. Okay, this was a very tricky day. So again what we have to do? Still we were in profit. So again we have to make this triangle into straddle. Again we will book this position, 13,900 P. We were trading around 102. Sorry, 100. Trading around 100. Now we have to open 14,100 P. Again, we converted it into a triangle. Sorry, straddle. We were in triangle and we converted our triangle into straddle again. Now we are in straddle position of 14,100. Okay. So basically we are shifting our position from straddle to triangle and triangle to straddle. So we moved from 13,700 to 14,100 and still we were in profit. Now, after this move, again around 1345, market reached around 14,200. What will we have to do? $13.45. Again, still we were in profit due to IV crash. So on even day you can take risk, because what is the basic fundamental of adjustment? Just you have to stay in trade. You have to stay in a selling trade to get maximum premium. This is the basic funda of adjustments. Okay. So what we have to do here? We have to convert our straddle into strangle, because market was trading around 14,200 and we had a straddle of 14,100. Then again we have to square off our C position and we have to convert this P into a strangle with 14,300 C. Okay. Now we will book this C. This C was trading around 204. Booked it. Open. What will be our next position? 14,300 CE. 14,300. So now again we are in strangle position, from straddle to strangle. See, 5,000 means how much point? How much? 60 points almost. Okay. So again, market went down, but didn't touch 14,100 mark. It means we would not make any adjustment here. Again, market went up around 285, but still didn't reach around 14,300. It means we were safe. So again 315. Now we have to check our profit around 315, because from 145 to 315 market didn't touch any side, even 14,100 or 14,300. So we don't have to make any kind of adjustment. So now see profit. Still we were in profit. So you can square off your trade around 3 p.m. or 3:15 max. Still we were in profit. At 3:15 p.m. we were in profit of 6,500 rupees. It means almost 85 points profit. But without adjustment, we had a loss of 200 points. So with the help of adjustment, you can stay longer in selling trades. Okay. And if you stay longer in selling trade, then you will get premium decay in your favor. So that's why we always do adjustment in positional trades and even in our intraday trades. So this is our first example of budget day. I think you all liked this, and you also can check with the help of criteria. Okay. So now we have to finish this video. So if you like this video, then you can like it, share it, and you can comment in comment section. Okay, tata, bye bye.